Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's session, let's see how to activate this vendor posting profile that we have created previously. So let's go to this accounts payable and let's first see our vendor posting profile that we have created previously. So this is our vendor posting profile that we have created previously, and we also configured the summary account, and the summary account is this. And let's see how to activate this. So to activate this vendor posting profile, we have to go to this accounts payable parameters. So to go to this accounts payable parameters, we have to go to this accounts payable module, and under this setup, and you'll see this accounts payable parameters, and under this accounts payable parameters you'll see this ledger and sales tax. And if you go to this ledger and sales tax, under posting you'll see this posting profile. So under this posting profile, if you give this vendor posting profile, that is vendor posting profile. So once we configure this posting profile here, our vendor posting profile is activated, and we are good to go with posting general entries. I mean, doing this general entries. Thank you.